So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Robinhood stock, ticker symbol HOOD, here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to either go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass, or you can go to the bottom left here and go to markets. But for simplicity's sake, I'll just go to the top, and as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol HOOD or hood. As you can tell at the top, Robinhood stock right here. Once you're on Robinhood stock, I want you to go down to the bottom left and press on the orange trade button and then press on buy. And once you're here, you can go ahead and select the type of session. So for me, this will be a post-market session, or you can change this to regular trading hours. When it comes to order type as well, you can change this to limit or market. So for example, if you were to go ahead and press on market, you can type in the amount of quantity. So if you wanted to buy 2 shares, for instance, it'll tell you the price right here. Then press on the green buy button and then proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Robinhood stock, ticker symbol HOOD on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.